children. Till now, we have learned about the process of evaporation in this lesson. Rain, where does it come from? The conversion of water into water vapor due to heat is called evaporation. Now, this water vapor, when cooled, converts into water again. Whenever we are cooking something, we see steam or water vapor coming out of the vessel. If we put a lid over this, as soon as the water vapor touches the lid, it converts into water. This process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. In winter season, we see fog and dew. It is formed due to cold conditions in the winter season. Fog is formed when water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water which remain suspended in air. It is our common experience that on cold winter mornings, when we speak, we observe smoke-like vapor coming out of our mouths. Now, why does the smoke-like vapor come out of our mouth? In winter, the air in our atmosphere is very cool as compared to the air coming out from our mouth. Water vapor present in the air coming out from our mouth gets cooled suddenly to form very tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets of water concentrated in a limited area appear like smoke or fog or small cloud near our mouth. During very cold winter mornings, outside our house, on the grass or the things present which are present outside the house, we see small droplets of water. This is called as dew. It is formed when air cools and can no longer hold water vapor in it. The water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water on the objects near the ground. It is common experience that whenever we fill a glass or bottle with ice cold water, after some time, tiny droplets of water are seen on the outer surface of the glass. Where do you think, children, this water came from? Here what happens is, as the water is very cold, the glass also becomes cold. And we know that water vapor is present in air. When this water vapor touches the cool glass, it converts into water. In the similar way, when we travel in a car on a rainy day, the wipers wipe out the water falling outside on the window panes. But you will observe that window panes become foggy from inside. Now, why does this happen? Due to rain, the window panes become cold and water vapor present inside the car, when it touches these cold window panes, it converts into water droplets. Hence, the driver has to wipe out the glass frequently. Water is evaporated due to sun's heat. When water vapor reaches the upper layers of the atmosphere where the temperature is low and it is cold, the water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water. These droplets together form clouds. The clouds do not remain in one place. They always move in the direction of the wind. Quick recap of what we have learned today. The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. Water vapor changes into water on cooling. Fog is formed when water vapor condenses and remains suspended in air. Tiny droplets of water formed on grass on a cold winter morning is called dew. Clouds are formed due to evaporation and condensation of water. Clouds move in the direction of the wind. This is your homework worksheet, children. Do this in your homework books. With this, we end the lesson for today. Thank you.